Instadebit is a payment gateway that allows users to make real-time payments using the funds from their bank accounts. As mentioned above, Instadebit is not an e-wallet, meaning that you cannot store funds in your Instadebit account. In other words, if you use Instadebit to fund your casino account, the money will be taken out of your bank account. The transaction will appear on your bank statement as instadebit.com or 1-877-88-DEBIT. Casino fans who have a bank account at any Canadian financial institution and are 18 years old or above can use Instadebit. A crucial thing to note is that only one bank account can be linked with Instadebit. As long as you have enough funds in your bank account and no currency conversion is required, then your payment will be processed instantly. Speaking of currencies, we must mention that Instadebit supports only two currencies, CAD and USD. A convenient feature of Instadebit is that it allows players to keep track of their Instadebit transaction history. The web-based casinos that accept payments via Instadebit are more than enough. Players who intend to use this payment method to fund their accounts are not required to expose any banking details. That is why Instadebit is one of the safest payment methods you can opt for if you reside in Canada. Moreover, you can start playing your favorite casino games on the spot as all deposits via Instadebit are processed immediately. Instadebit's official site is fully optimized for mobile use. Therefore, players can use Instadebit to fund their casino accounts even on the go. Assuming you need assistance, you can rely on Instadebit's customer support representative around the clock. Players must set up an Instadebit account to use this payment method for gambling-related transactions. Please note that you will be required to provide some bank account information and enter the last 4 digits of your social insurance number, SIN, to confirm your identity. Setting up an Instadebit account is a child's